Hi everyone. So the other day I went to the art supply store for my art shopping and I asked for gesso. The person was confused as he pronounced it as Gesso or Gesso. So I thought I had to do this video. Let's talk about the word gesso. So, gesso is a primer or preparation material used to create a surface that is suitable for painting. It is typically made from a combination of binder, pigment, and filter substances such as chalk or gypsum. The primary purpose of gesso is to provide a smooth and consistent surface on canvas, wood, or any other painting surfaces. How to use gesso? I mix 1:1 ratio of gesso to water, giving it a thin consistency. I feel applying multiple thin layers is usually better than applying one thick layer as it allows each coat to dry properly and ensures better adhesion to the canvas. Mostly, I pick a day to gesso all my canvas at once. Here you can see I'm gessoing multiple canvas, will do about 6 to 8 layers, and it will take an entire day for all the layers to dry completely. The main reasons to use gesso are: gesso helps to create a stable surface, allowing the paint to glide smoothly and evenly. Without gesso, the paint can be absorbed into the canvas or surface, making it difficult to achieve the desired colors or tone. Gesso creates a slightly rough surface. This ensures that the paint stays in the place and does not easily peel off or crack over the time. Some paints, especially oil, can react with canvas or wood surface directly. Gesso acts as an isolating layer, preventing such reactions and protecting the surface material. I hope next time you start a painting, you gesso your canvas with at least 5 to 6 thin layers.